Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hello.
I'm going to McDonald's. Hi.
Say hello, G.
Hello.
Hello. And hello, Han.
Hi everyone.
I like fries and large Coke.
So we are on the way to McDonald's.
Yay!
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 Oh, it's very bumpy now. Look, very bumpy, Adam. See, it's very bumpy. Hey.
McDonald's.
This one. Okay, out of fries. You want one? Or you want two? No ice?
Adam, put customize.
Go to customize.
No
ice.
Where's this one? Ato order na. Finish?
Good.
That's it?
Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel! Andito kami ngayon sa McDonald's. So, Adam next to me. Adam, say hello to them.
Hello. I'm in McDonald's. I want a Big Mac and fries right now.
Oh, your order is here.
Look! It's here!
Serving for you.
Thank you. Okay. So, Adam's order is here. It's 9:30 already. So, we have a dinner. But he would like to come in here. And now I know why. Because he wants to do a video.
Ooh, what's inside? Ooh, what's inside? Ooh. What's inside the box? Ooh. What's inside? Wow! A Squishmallow!
School is finished now, so no more school. School break in here. And next week we are going to Hungary. So we will be uploading a video soon. I have more videos really, but I don't have time to edit. Use it properly. Yeah. So Adam is very big boy now. And he's very tall. Adam, dance. are you hiding? We arrive home now. Thank you so much everyone for watching our videos. See you again next time. Adam, say goodbye to them.
Goodbye, everyone. Thank you so much.
Bye.